For most directors of limited companies, the idea of personal liability for business debts can be a worrying thought, especially during liquidation. While limited liability usually provides a level of protection, there are certain circumstances where HMRC can hold directors personally responsible for company debts. Let's break it down. HMRC has specific tools it can use to pursue personal liability if they believe a director has acted improperly. One example is a joint and several liability notice. This is issued when HMRC suspects that a director has been involved in repeated insolvencies or non-payment of taxes. If you receive one of these notices, you could be held personally responsible for paying the company's tax debts even after liquidation. Another tool is a personal liability notice, or PLN. HMRC typically issues these notices if they believe there's been fraud or neglect leading to unpaid taxes. While PLNs are more commonly associated with national insurance contributions, they can apply to other taxes too. If HMRC thinks you played a role in underpayment, they could hold you accountable. There are also broader legal principles that can lead to personal liability. For instance, wrongful trading is a key risk for directors. This happens if you continue trading while the company is insolvent, knowing that there's no realistic chance of avoiding insolvency. In these cases, you could be held personally liable for debts, including those owed to HMRC. And then there's fraudulent trading, which is even more serious. If you knowingly trade with the intent to defraud creditors, including HMRC, you could face personal liability as well as potential criminal charges. So, what can you do as a director to protect yourself? Well, first and foremost, act responsibly. Avoid actions that could be seen as reckless or fraudulent. It's a good idea to keep detailed records of all financial and operational decisions, as this demonstrates transparency and good intent. If HMRC contacts you, it's essential to cooperate fully. Respond promptly to their inquiries and provide any necessary information. And if you're facing liquidation or believe you might be at risk of personal liability, seeking advice from a qualified insolvency practitioner or legal professional is critical. They can guide you through the process, help you understand your obligations, and minimize your personal risk. While the majority of directors will not face personal liability, understanding the risks and acting responsibly is key to protecting yourself. If you're unsure about your situation or need help managing HMRC debts, First Business Rescue is here to help. So get in touch for a confidential chat and we'll guide you through your options. To take the next step, somewhere around this video there will be a button or a link. Click on that to contact us online or give us a call today.